Hello and welcome to themeparkcapital.com. We're outside the SW7 construction site at Alton Towers. As you can see, they're building the new coaster just down there. Welcome to Theme Park Capital from our winter studio. Thank you over there in Alton Towers. That is the current construction site. However, track is now arriving likely in the goods entrance to Alton Towers. To my left, your right, you can see some pictures of the new track. Very similar. It's very similar to the Saw track. Extremely similar to the Saw track. Actually, it's black. You can't tell what the world's first element is. Loads of speculation about that. However, the track is arriving. As you can see over there, various pictures of the track, similar to the Swarm, same model. A bit more information has been revealed on the website. We have this information along here. There we go. All of these pictures along here are on the SW7 teaser page, altontowers.com/2013. You've got it's 3 times longer than Oblivion. Carriages, the trains are 4x4, 4 seats by 4 seats. But nothing reveals about the world's first element. I'll just a few speculations on the world's first element, and that one would be that it is a 4-dimensional coaster. To my left here's the 4-dimensional coaster. That's what it would be like, where these seats are a whole new dimension. But that is one of the rumours. Also, it's 12 looping, which apparently it could be 12 looping. Also, other rumours include a vertical launch or a little tunnel where the train stops and spins around. These are all rumours. What do you think? Comment below what you think the world's first element will be, and check out our other videos. Check out inside the SW7 construction site just here, or maybe you want to check out, it might not be uploaded yet, but we are creating a video of SW7, what is the world's first element, or check out our Alton Towers Friday night video, which will be uploading soon. The link might not be there. Anyway, like us on Facebook, there it all is. Like us on our Facebook, /Theme Park Capital. If we get 1,000 likes in the next few months, we'll be giving away free theme park tickets. Follow us on Twitter @ThemeParkCap, and of course, please hit this button down here now, down there. Come on, please press it just down there. Subscribe. We need more subscribers. We're nearly at the 500 mark. We want to hit 1,000 in the next few months. So please do subscribe for more videos like this and on other 2013 coasters. Thanks for watching Theme Park Capital. Talk to you soon. Goodbye.